I am Srinivas Pawar. I am from Government Polytechnic Nanded. I am studying in 6th SEM IT branch. I am the group leader for this project. My project name is Friends Chat. It is an Android application. It is the chatting application. It is made like Facebook and WhatsApp. My team member is Mahesh Vattamar and now he will introduce him.
I am Mahesh Vishwanath Ottamar from Government Polytechnic Nanded, student of third year of IT department. Me and my team leader, that is Srinivas Par, we create and we develop an Android application. The application name is Friends Chat. This application is like a WhatsApp and Facebook. And introduction of this project will be continue. My team leader. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome to our Friends Chat project. In this project, we have created a chatting application. Here its name Friend Chat. Open it. We opened it. Here is the login page. If we click on need an account, we go to the register page. Firstly, we need to type the first name. Say last name, then the email address, then password. We can see password by clicking this icon and confirm the password. Select gender and click on the register button to register. But I have already created an account, so I will go to already have an account button. Then I go to login page. So I am entering my email ID, already registered email ID and password. And now I am clicking on login button. I am opened the Friends Chat application and we see two users that I have already created, Rutuparn Pawar and Mahi. So I go to Rutuparn Pawar and send message to it. I then I will click on send button and the message is sent. I click on image and I will send an image. This sending file is sending. Wait. Message is sent successfully to this person, Rutuparna Pawar. Now I am on Rutuparna Pawar device. So in this, I am go to the friend chat application and write the email of Rutuparna Pawar. I am trying to log in and I am logged in and see the message sent from Srinivas Pawar's account is sent on Rutuparna Pawar account. When I click on this Srinivas Pawar, it receives a message, "Hi Rutuparna," and the mm, photo that was sent. If I want to delete this photo or chat, then I want to only delete for me or view this or cancel the button. I am clicking on delete for me for deleting this image for only me. Here on the received images are only deleted for you only, not for them, because of privacy. So now I am in the Srinivas Pawar's device and I am going into the Friends Chat application. Here I have centered the message. I have sent the message. So for deleting for everyone means this message has been gone for everyone. Click on this and delete for everyone. Click on delete for everyone. The message will be deleted for everyone. In this, it will also show the online if the user is online. And if we go to the tab, the team members tab, in this team members tabs, there are my team leader name and team member name. I am the team leader, so my photo and my name is showed, and other my team members photo and name is showed. This is for team members. And for the find friends, you can make new friends also. Here are list of friends that account I am created. If I want to send the request to this Sam, I will send it and the request will be gone there. In this contacts tab, the friend contact will shown, and we have another option, that is settings option. In this, your photo will profile photo will be shown, and this photo we can change easily just like clicking on it. Here the photos are shown. If we want to select anyone, that will be shown on this. Here here in the first edit text there is our name. In second edit text it is the status info of your profile. We can update them at any time. And the last option is logout. We can log out the app as follows. The app was log out.